Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Magical Bombshell. If you're new here, thank you for clicking. If you're not new here, either way, thank you for watching. If you are new, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and hit that little notification bell so you can get some more of my videos. I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this look today. If you want to see how I got here, go ahead and keep watching. Okay guys, so I already went ahead and did some concealer. I also did kind of do some foundation, which I second guess thought of after I put these on, but we can fix that. So today I'm going to be doing some sort of little sunset look, but it's going to be kind of neon, so we're going to go in with our NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and we're going to take that across our lid. And some people like to use a brush. For this, I think that the finger literally does the best for blending the edges out of this pencil. Kind of blend it out like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna go into my 39L Hit the Lights Morphe palette, and I'm gonna grab that neon yellow color. It is called 2 AM. There's this one right here, and I'm gonna pack that in my kind of in my inner corner and in the front of my lid using a little sponge brush. And we're gonna kind of just pack that color on there. And I'm gonna go in with another little flat brush, and I'm gonna go into that Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn palette. Ooh. Uh-oh. Camera malfunction. There we go. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go into that Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn palette. I'm gonna grab the color Horizon. It's this orange color right here. I'm gonna pack that next to the yellow as a middle transition color, I will say. that same flat angled brush, actually no, that same sponge brush earlier that I was using for my yellow, I'm gonna flip it over and use the hot pink. And the name of this color is, what is it again? Oh my goodness. Reckless. It is the, I'm going back into the 39L Hit the Lights palette and that hot pink there. And I'm just gonna pack that in this corner right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into the fluffy brush. It's my little fluffy brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I am going to go into the Ace View Vintage Dawn palette. And I'm going to grab the color Daybreak. This one right here. I'm going to use that to blend out by the yellow. And I'm gonna go back into that color Horizon and just gently dab it like once or twice. Give a little bit of pigment and just gently blend that out. Like so. I'm gonna go into my Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm gonna go into the color Big Wig. It is this deep purple shade here, and I'm gonna drag that along the edge and blend the pink out with it. But before I tap it into there, I am going to use my blending brush to blend out the pink just a little bit before I add the purple. Like so, just lightly. It really isn't taking the harsh line away necessarily. It's more blending that orange and that pink together on the top. Because we're gonna go over those neons and pack them in just a little bit more after we go in with the Big Wig anyway. Okay, I'm gonna tap in a Big Wig. Start packing that into the corner there. Just to give that crease some depth. I'm going to take Big Wig and just pack it into that inner corner and drag it down a little bit into the under eye. And repeat on the other side. Okay, so I am gonna go back in now with the sponge brush and just pack a little bit more of that hot pink and that yellow into the inner corner and outer lid as well. Like so. And while I'm going over these colors, I am going to be putting them on my under eye as well. So I'm going to go back in with that jumbo pencil and just go over my bottom lid, just to guarantee that that color sticks. Okay, taking that hot pink, I'm going to just place that right there. I'm gonna go grab that flat brush again, and I'm gonna go back into the Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn palette and grab that orange and just touch that up again. Just like I said, we're just intensifying that color, making sure it's blended exactly where we want it. And then we're gonna go do that to the other side. Take that same color and pack it on the under eye. Go back with that sponge brush that I had before. And we're just gonna grab that yellow once again and pack that on the lid. And then that inner corner as well. Like so. And then we're gonna go back in with that fluffy brush and in that color Big Wig, and we're just gonna blend out that under eye. Okay. So now that I'm done with that part, what I am gonna do now, just because I do want a little bit more of a, I was gonna leave it in that neon color on the inner corner, but I do think that I want to go in with a little bit of a shimmer there. So I'm gonna go in with the color Serengeti. It is this shimmery gold color from the Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn palette. And I'm gonna grab my little glitter brush. I'm gonna grab that color, actually, sorry, I'm gonna put my jumbo NYX pencil and I'm just gonna dab that in the inner corner there, just to give that glitter a little extra pop there. Don't forget to blend out the edge of it before you add your color, because if you don't do that, it just doesn't look great. There we go. Grab that flat brush, gonna grab that color Serengeti, and it is so pigmented. I barely touched my brush to it and you can see how much pigment is on there already. Definitely liking that gold on the inner corner there. And take these off. Okay. So I'm gonna do a little bit more concealer under my eye. I'm gonna do my eyeliner, put on my mascara and my eyelashes, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and added my eyelashes. I did top and bottom mascara. I also did the Jumbo White NYX pencil in my waterline. I also finished up with some Too Faced melted matte liquid lipstick. I did my bronzer for my Wander Beauty Chip for Two Duo Blush and bronzer set. My highlighter for my Too Faced Diamond Light highlight in the Canary Diamond. Curled my eyelashes, did my setting spray, and this is the finished look. If you guys like it, let me know. Any comments is a good comment. If you are new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys liked. Let me know what type of looks you guys want me to do. If you guys want me to do hair tutorials, I've been thinking about making my tacos and doing a taco food tutorial. I think I might do like a little video blog of our moving. Don't necessarily know if that's anything you guys would be interested in, but just some thoughts I thought I'd throw out there. Some other things that are going to be coming up, I am planning on doing a palette giveaway. Within my next 3 videos, I'm going to be doing a palette giveaway. So if you are one of my subscribers, help me get more subscribers, more people liking my Facebook page. Any share just gets more views. When I do the giveaway, I'm not gonna say that I'm picking only on my YouTube channel, because I do know that sometimes if you have your subscriptions hidden, I do not see the names of everyone who is subscribed to me. But if you like my Magical Bombshell Facebook page, I am going to be picking my winner for the eyeshadow palette through that page. So just an FYI, I will be giving more information probably in my next video. But for now, this is the final look, guys. Let me know what you guys think, and I hope you guys have a great night. Bye.